Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to type text inside a shape in Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. First, let's insert a shape. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes and select any shape. As you can see, the cursor has changed. We hold down the leftmost button and draw a shape of the required size. When the shape is added, the Shape Format tab appears, where we can change the shape style, fill color, or shape border color. Okay, now let's add the text. Right-click on the shape and select Add Text. Now we can type text inside the shape. An alternative way to add text is to simply select a shape and immediately start typing or pasting the copied text. Great, now we can edit this text as we need, increase the font, change the color, style, and so on. And if we need to align the text to the left or right, then click the cursor on the shape and click Align to the left or right on the Home tab. If you need to align the text to the top or bottom, go to the Shape Format tab, click Align Text and select the type of alignment to top or bottom. And if we click on Text Direction, we can rotate the text vertically or in some other way. It's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.